Well, you can see it's running. It's sat all year. I think I used it the year before. It was out of gas. The gas was turned off and I let the carburetor run out. I filled it with gas, put the choke on, turned it on, one pull, started. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and till it. That get rid of all the grass here. I'll do a light till over everything. And where I'm gonna put the potatoes, I'll do a little bit deeper till. Well, I got a light till. I'm going to grab the rake. I'm going to rake some of it off because that kind of binds up in the tine. You can see when I stopped down at the far end down there, I went to change the depth, and that bar has a hook on both ends, and when I had to lift it up, I raised it up against the bottom of the flap on the back, so I had to redo it so that it wasn't hooked onto it because I couldn't change depth because I could only go lower. We got a little something to munch on while I'm doing this. Crack the seeds and spout your shells and eat seeds. Well, I'm going to go through, you notice a lot of it I could pull up with the rake, but I'm going to go through the middle here and till a little bit deeper, and then I'll make it easier for planting the potatoes. As you raise this arm up, it'll go deeper. Okay, I got it all prepped. That's kind of about enough for this video, but this is how I prepped the soil. First I did a light till, loosened up, raked off all the grass. So you can see that grass is pretty thick. We've mowed it down pretty low, so it come up pretty good. And then after that I decided where I want to put the 2 rows. I'm just going to put 2 rows in. I don't think I have enough potatoes for more than that. I'll show you in the video where I actually plant them. But I've got those 2 ready. You can see where I tilled down deeper, the ground changed. The colors are more moisture down there because we've had quite a bit of rain. The top about an inch or so is pretty dry, but below that it's pretty wet. So that's pretty much about it for this video. I'll make another video of me actually planting them. We'll see. I'll show you what they all look like, and then we'll start planting them. See you on the next one. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment. I'd like to hear the comments. What do you think of this? And when I actually plant them, let me know what if you would have planted them or you'd have just thrown them away. Because this is the 22nd of August. It's a little bit late. I may not get much in there, but if I get a few, then at least it wasn't, throwing them all away. But stay tuned. We'll be back another one, cleaning the garden where the grass is taken over again on the sweet potatoes and the watermelon, and I think there's some cantaloupe in there as well. Some volunteers that I just let go because I didn't know what's going to come up. So stay tuned. We'll catch you on the next one.